Hello. We are going to go over the basics of MLA formatting. After watching this video, you should be able to format your writing for any class in MLA. MLA is very specific, so let's dive right in and talk about how you set up your first page. The first page requires three specific things: a title, a heading, and a header. Let's start with the header. The header is located in the upper right-hand corner of each page. It consists of your last name and the page number. To easily insert a header, insert a page number and type your last name in front of it. If you do this, you will notice that it automatically appears on each page as it should. Next, you will want to add in your heading. Unlike the header, which goes on every page, the heading goes only on the first page. It consists of your name, your teacher's name, the class or assignment, title, and the date. Each item in the heading goes on a separate line and is aligned to the left, as you can see here. Now let's talk about your title. In MLA formatting, the title is located in the center of the page below the heading. The title is not in all caps, it is not bold, it is not underlined, it is not in italics, and it is not in a larger font. It is in size 12 Times New Roman font like the rest of your paper. Once you have your first page set up, you are ready to begin your paragraphs. MLA has very specific spacing and alignment formats as well. Your entire paper should be set up with 1-inch margins. You can check for this under Page Setup. The entire paper should also be double-spaced and aligned to the left. MLA does not require extra spaces between paragraphs, so make sure you indent the first line of each paragraph so your teachers know where one paragraph ends and the next one begins. The last thing we need to talk about is Intext citations and a works cited page. If you are incorporating information that is not yours into your paper, you have to give your sources credit. You do this with Intext citations and a corresponding works cited page. An Intext citation is located in the text as the title implies. At the end of a sentence where you have quoted, paraphrased, or summarized someone else's information, you add in parentheses with the author's last name and page number. If there is no author, you use the title. And if there is no page number, you just leave that information out. You can see the Intext citations highlighted in this paper right here. Your Intext citations directly correspond with your works cited page. Any source you cite in your paper must have a works cited entry like the ones you see here. The works cited entries are very tediously formatted, so make sure that you are using EasyBib or some other type of citation generator to get the correct formatting for those works cited entries. Lastly, we need to talk about the actual formatting of the works cited page itself. First, you need to center the title Works Cited at the top of the page. This is not a bibliography, this is not a reference page, it is a works cited page. So make sure you center Works Cited at the top. Then you arrange your sources in alphabetical order according to the item that comes first in the entry. This will either be the author's last name or, if there is no author, the title. You need to use reverse indentation on your works cited page. You use reverse indentation by indenting the second and subsequent lines of each entry. This will allow your teacher to easily see the number of sources you have used. You can see how reverse indentation has been used on this page here, as we can count at least 3 different sources. Also, your works cited page should still be size 12 Times New Roman font and double spaced. If you follow the guidelines that were given to you in this video, your papers will be properly formatted in MLA.
Created using Powtoon.